purchasing yourself an HDMI audio extractor. This is the one that I purchased off Amazon and it cost me about 50 bucks. There are definitely other cheaper options out there, but something I would definitely recommend to look out for is the fact that it supports up to 4K at 60 FPS. I will leave a link in the description to the exact one that I bought in case you are having troubles with your current extractor so you can follow along one-to-one. This is what your HDMI extractor should look like when it's all plugged in. This first cable is the power cable, which is coming from the wall. The next will be an HDMI in slot. This HDMI is connected directly into your PS4. Next, you have your optical out. The optical out is going to be fished from the receiver on the optical inside to the optical out on the HDMI extractor. And lastly, you have an HDMI going from the HDMI out directly into your monitor. Before we move on to the settings, make sure your HDMI extractor analog is set to the left-hand side where it says TV. Once your receiver is powered on and your HDMI audio extractor is working, navigate to Settings and click on Devices. In Audio Devices, you will see the input and output device is set to USB headset Arctis Pro wireless. The most important step here is to make sure your output is chat audio. A lot of videos I've seen say do it to all audio, but all audio means that your audio is being directly pulled from the USB slot. In this situation, you are losing your chat mix as well as your surround sound features. Next, navigate to Sound and Screen Audio Output Settings. Now this is the issue that comes with the video that SteelSeries has put out, where they say that there should be a primary audio format tab. However, that is only available in the original PS4 as well as PS4 Pro. In the PS4 Slim, these are the only two settings you will have. You're going to want to set your priority to bitstream Dolby. I've yet to see a difference between linear PCM, but recommended is bitstream Dolby. Once you have those two set up, power on your Arctis Pro wireless and let's take a look. Once you have your headset powered on, let's take a look at the receiver for any final touches. First business is making sure that your mode is on PS4. This can be done by going through the main menu, Source, and PS4. Other than that, your headset should be turned on and all volume should be coming in. Another way to test that this is working correctly is by turning on the surround sound feature. You'll instantly feel a difference in the headset sound quality because surround sound is actually working thanks to the HDMI audio extractor. Also, you can fiddle around with the chat mix features, which are now also available due to the fact that the splitter is set up and working correctly. Before ending the video, I figured I'd show you guys the headset actually working even though it's on chat audio. This was a big concern for me when I first purchased this headset, and not a lot of videos showed this. I hope the sound is coming out because the settings are still the same and we are on chat audio with all the features working. I hope this video